Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2019 Ford Ranger, stock number 6688. This ran from the 6th 2015 and the 4th 2022. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory only made good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory only made good tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory only made good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory only made good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy lamp sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,